What if making a blockchain safer makes it 90% slower? That is the challenge Solana is now facing. Solana developers are testing quantum-resistant cryptography to prepare for future threats from quantum computers. Right now, the network uses a fast and efficient signature system, but this method could eventually be vulnerable. To solve that, Solana is working with groups like Project 11 to test quantum-safe signatures. Early results show a major trade-off. Performance could drop by up to 90%, and transaction data could become much larger. This matters because Solana's biggest advantage is speed. Fast transactions and low fees are what make it competitive. If the network slows down, it could lose that edge. And this is not just Solana. Bitcoin and Ethereum are exploring similar upgrades. The entire industry is facing the same challenge, balancing security and performance. Short-term, this is just testing, but long-term, the networks that solve this could gain a huge advantage. Bitcoin is holding strong, Ethereum is improving its roadmap, and quantum tech is quickly becoming a key narrative. The future of crypto may come down to one question: who can stay both fast and secure? Subscribe for daily updates and check out BTCC for more insight.